Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to copy link of Instagram post. To copy link of Instagram post, first open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now here you can scroll down and look for the post that you want to copy the link of. After you select the post, now tap on the plane icon near the comment icon. Then tap on copy link option at down. With that, you'll be able to copy the link of the post. You can use the link to share the post to your other friends or on other applications as well. Now you can send the link to any other person. I am going to send this link to one of my friends. With that, here you can see that the link of the Instagram post has been shared. When you tap on the given link, it will take you to that Instagram post. This is how we can copy link of Instagram post. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.